Explanation of Forex currency trading for beginners. Forex currency trading is one of the most profitable enterprises you can start nowadays. When the threat of financial ruin looms, it is useful to have an additional source of income to fall back on. Forex currency trading is one of the fallbacks you may rely on if you have the necessary understanding. Forex currency trading is profitable, but it is also difficult, particularly for novices. You must be aware of its operations and acquire sufficient knowledge to assist you in developing your own trading strategy. Currency trading is a fast-paced game in which you must always be adaptable in order to meet the needs and fluctuating preferences of buyers and sellers. The basics of Forex currency trading. Before you do anything else, you should probably ask yourself, what exactly is this Forex currency trading thing? This firm buys and sells numerous currencies. Exchange rates are used by players in this business game to evaluate whether it is a good or bad time to sell their unique currency. As you are aware, monetary currencies differ in terms of amount, but they are all related with one another. For example, a decline in the value of the US dollar may result in a significant gain in the value of the euro, or vice versa. When you trade currencies on the Forex market, you are buying and selling currencies at the same time. For example, you may purchase euros for less than the price of US dollars. In essence, you are selling dollars to your business partner while purchasing his portion of the euros. This is also why Forex is sometimes known as foreign exchange, because the involved business parties engage with one another. Forex currency trading's popularity. One of the reasons it has grown in popularity is because it allows for secure and quick transactions. Regardless matter how much money this firm generates, individuals need to convert currencies, especially when visiting another nation or purchasing vital products from a foreign country. This protects all parties involved since it employs the precise conversion rate for each monetary worth. Because of its unpredictable character, Forex currency trading eventually gained popularity. Currencies never truly remain in their present value. Its rise and fall is influenced by a variety of variables, making it an intriguing and promising area. Because anything may happen, most Forex traders use their own tracking method to efficiently scan the Forex market for good buys. It also does not require a lot of cash to make it a profitable business. The most crucial thing to have is a strong eye for the market, as well as good instincts and some forethought. When it comes to foreign currency trading, you must have a continual sense of the market.